suis à Aéroport, je suis travailleuse, je suis travailleuse.
Everything is just sweet.
Good evening, guys. Welcome back to another video. It's a new video today, guys. It's all about traveling. So we are going to the next country, my 8th country. Guess where I'm going? When I start speaking French, know that I'm going to a French country. Like I'm going to France tonight. Mon ami, au revoir. Au revoir, mon ami, anti-Ugandese. Bonne nuit. Bye bye. Boarding time. Guys, we are inside the plane. So this is the economy class. Looks beautiful, like really beautiful. Even have TV here, always seated by window. So we are going to use 8 hours to Paris. Yeah, and this is their first flight to Paris. Dinner is served. I got the chicken, pasta, and Coca-Cola. Yeah. Bonjour. It's a beautiful morning. We are still in the sky. Yeah, so breakfast is served. I got this yogurt, croissant, and this bread, and the butter, and this tea with milk, and the water. Yeah, just 1 hour we shall be in Paris. So excited, like really excited. So bon appetit.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Charles de Gaulle Airport in Paris, where the local time is at 9:15 a.m. and the outside.
Guys, finally arrivé en français. Yeah, guys, we are on the way to the hotel. So we are in this area which I don't know, but I like the way it's green everywhere. Like it's green. I love it. Oh, nice. So we shall talk when we arrive at the hotel, but so far I'm enjoying, like, the country is cool. It's not hot, like it's cool. So green everywhere. That's the first impression about this country. Like it's green everywhere. Yeah, so I'm here with the driver, and good thing he's from Rwanda. Muraoneza. just checked in, so this is my room. Let me give you a room tour before anything. Yeah, this is the entrance of the room, so I can't hold it. Yeah, so as soon as you enter in the room, this is how it looks like. It's too small, guys. Like, it's literally very, very small. After the entrance, this is the bed over here. The bed with beautiful headside lamps. I love them. I love the way this hotel, like, it's giving vintage style. Guys, can you see, like, everywhere, like, it's giving vintage style. AC there, these beautiful lamps here, and this desk area where you can do your work and everything, and it's TV for me in the corner. I'll be sleeping here watching the TV. Yeah, so, and this full body mirror, just ignore my outfit, now it's messy. Yeah, and here, this is the bathroom. Ooh, beautiful. I love the way everything from here is giving vintage style, like those past years. Beautiful sink, body wash, hair, and I don't know what is this, like, oh, this is a soap, yeah, so it might be organic soap, I don't know. And the toilet space here. Good thing I like from this room is because it's by the road, so here is like a window versus door, so you can literally go outside and stand here and enjoy the views from the street. So beautiful, like, it's so beautiful. I mean, look at these old buildings. Oh my god, this is what I wanted to see for years and years. Oh my god. So guys, I forgot to show you this wardrobe. So you just pull this button and yeah, you have some storage. This is the one to put the suitcase. Yeah, I will fix it somewhere. And the hanger and the bed cover there. It's vintage for me. Beautiful. My favorite part of this bedroom is just views from outside. Like, it's giving. I'm so tired, so we have event of launching this Rwanda. You know, Rwanda has launched this new route from Kigali to Paris, direct flight. Yeah, and there is event in the evening, so I have to first take shower. I go to find out where I can get something to eat, and then later I come to change to go to event. Yeah, so see you when you see me. Ciao. Also need SIM card, guys. Like, in any country, I don't mind, like, if it is 2 days or 3 days, I have to get SIM card, you know. you know the thing. Yeah, so good afternoon, guys. Just finished to change. I took shower, freshen up. Yeah, so I'm going to have my later lunch. Yeah, so see you. I don't know where I'm going to take it from, but I know it's nearby the hotel. Yeah, so see you. Peace out. Yeah. I just found this random restaurant. I don't know, like, it's like kind Italian because they have pizza, pasta. Yeah. So this is it. Guys, I just went to the restaurant, but they didn't have the food I wanted, so I'm just decided to go and like get the SIM card. I first asked in Orange, they told me it's sold out, so I'm going to the other telecommunication company. Yeah, so let me see if I can get there, but it's nice. Yeah. Guys, now it's time for event. So this is my dress. Guys, I'm too late. The driver is already downstairs. but my wig, I'm not understanding it well. Like, I don't understand. But anyways, let's go. We shall fix it in the event.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, bonsoir. I'm very excited to be here in Paris, celebrating with you the result of several years of hard work. By connecting Kigali to Paris, we are opening doors for travelers, particularly Rwandans and Africans, as well as others from around our network, to experience the beauty and prospects that this magnificent city has to offer. Let me take this opportunity to express my gratitude to the government of Rwanda and the government of France for the support and cooperation that has made this new link a reality. Together, we are forging a strong partnership, one that will benefit our countries and citizens alike. To our customers, whether traveling for business or leisure, Rwanda extends a warm invitation to embark on this new journey with us. Thank you all for joining us on this momentous occasion, and together, let us embrace the new possibilities that lie ahead. Merci encore. Je vous souhaite à tous une excellente soirée. Merci.
Philippe choisit une question et celui qui y répondra le plus rapidement.
Francophonie, Excellences Mesdames et Messieurs les ambassadeurs, très chers collègues, très chers amis, très chers compatriotes, Mille-Venez. Aujourd'hui, c'est un grand jour, un grand jour. Vous le savez très bien, le Rwanda a toujours été ouvert à de nouveaux horizons.